5:43, I want to take you to some live looks across all of Metro Des Moines and up to Ames as well. As you can see, the highways are totally snow covered this morning. There have been several crashes reported as well this morning, and we are going to be checking in with the Iowa State Patrol here in just a few minutes. Across all of Iowa, we have snow coverage on the roads. Where we have the pink, that is where we've got complete coverage, including all of Metro Des Moines, eastern and southern Iowa. The blue is where we have partial coverage, but that's splitting hairs. There is snow on the road everywhere, and travel is not advised along I-3580, and that goes from Highway 141 all the way to the East Mixmaster in the Metro right now. So that does include Merle Hay Road exit, 2nd Avenue, 14th Street, and many of the Urbandale exits this morning as well. We've had a couple of crashes there. The accumulating snow is coming to an end in Metro Des Moines, but it is still falling east and south of Des Moines. The heaviest right now is pushing into far southeast Iowa, stretching from Centerville to Ottumwa and over towards Iowa City. This will continue to push east over the morning, and our attention will completely turn to the wind and the bitter cold. These are the latest gusts in the last hour or so, between 25 and 35 miles per hour across the state. That is blowing all the snow around, so the visibility is very poor, down to 1 mile, about 1.25 miles in some areas, and there are areas southeast of Des Moines where it is below 1 mile. And then, of course, the Arctic air is also here, so the wind makes it feel that much more severe. Our wind chill is -26 in Des Moines. It's about 30 below zero in Fort Dodge, 43 below in Sioux City, and 24 below even down in Ottumwa. No one escaping the wind and the bitter cold. Now, blowing snow is going to be our biggest problem throughout the day when it comes to the roads. That's why that blizzard warning starts at noon today. That does include Metro Des Moines, I-80, and areas to the north. There is still a winter storm warning across southern Iowa. These are expected to last until 6 o'clock on Saturday morning. So what your day looks like, what you see is what you get. Blowing snow throughout the day. We will see the bitter wind chills and temperatures sub-zero all day, hovering between about 6 and 9 below zero. And the wind will be strongest later this afternoon, actually. So we're not even at the peak just yet. Gusting 30 to 40 miles per hour throughout the day today. Intensifies a little bit later on this evening. And then overnight, we could see gusts between 40 and 45. And then tomorrow is actually when we will have the strongest winds. They could gust 40 to as high as 50 miles per hour. So the blowing snow threat does not end during the day tomorrow. Even on Saturday, patching blowing snow will be possible. Now, the wind chill obviously not going to improve either, between 35 and 40 below zero in northern Iowa, about 30 to 35 below throughout the day in central and southern Iowa. And you don't see much alteration on the map during the day tomorrow. Finally, by tomorrow afternoon, it improves, which is a loose term, to about 20 to 25 below zero. There is a light at the end of the tunnel, though, which is good news. Our Holt Plumbing and Heating 10-day forecast shows that travel will improve on Saturday. Sunday, we get back up to the double digits above zero. There will be a little light snow that moves in late Sunday night into Monday, but that should not cause any major problems. And then look at next week. 40s are possible by Thursday and Friday, and it could be almost 40 degrees as we ring in 2023.